Let's dive into the explosive intersection of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency. AI is transforming technology, and the crypto market is keenly observing. Enter AI coins, cryptocurrencies designed to power AI platforms and services. The synergy between AI and blockchain is perfect, offering secure, transparent data and computational power. Today we'll explore 3 AI coins with serious potential for the next bull run. We'll analyze their uniqueness and future prospects. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about Singularity Net and its AGIX token, widely recognized as a true pioneer in the world of AI crypto. If you've been following the evolution of artificial intelligence and blockchain, you've probably heard Singularity Net mentioned as one of the earliest and most ambitious projects aiming to decentralize AI. It's not just another crypto token, it's a vision for a future where AI is open, accessible, and not controlled by a handful of tech giants. At its core, Singularity Net is a decentralized marketplace for AI services. Imagine an app store, but instead of mobile apps, it's filled with powerful AI algorithms and services, all available to anyone, anywhere in the world. This platform allows developers to showcase their AI creations, while users can browse, compare, and access a wide range of AI tools, from language models to image recognition and beyond. Here's how it works. Developers upload their AI algorithms to the platform, making them available for others to use. When a user wants to access an AI service, they pay for it using the AGIX token. This creates a seamless blockchain-powered ecosystem where value flows directly between creators and users, without middlemen or gatekeepers. The project was co-founded by Dr. Ben Goertzel, a renowned AI researcher and visionary. Dr. Goertzel's reputation in the field brings a level of scientific credibility that sets Singularity Net apart from many other crypto projects. His work on artificial general intelligence, or AGI, has inspired a global community of researchers and developers to rally behind the project's mission. Over the years, AGIX has weathered the ups and downs of the crypto market, surviving multiple bear cycles that have wiped out countless other tokens. This resilience is a testament to the project's strong fundamentals and dedicated community. Even during tough times, SingularityNet has continued to innovate and expand its ecosystem. Recently, SingularityNet made headlines by joining forces with Fetch.ai and Ocean Protocol to form the Superintelligence Alliance. This strategic merger brings together 3 of the most prominent decentralized AI projects, combining their resources, talent, and technology to accelerate progress toward advanced AI. The goal of this alliance is nothing short of ambitious: to fast-track the development of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. By pooling their expertise, these projects hope to create AI systems that can learn, reason, and adapt across a wide range of tasks, potentially transforming industries and society as a whole. But the success of Singularity Net doesn't just depend on technology. It relies heavily on attracting top-tier AI developers and a vibrant user base. The more high-quality algorithms and services available on the platform, the more valuable it becomes for everyone involved. Building this network effect is crucial for long-term growth. What really sets Singularity Net apart is its mission to democratize AI. In a world where powerful AI is often locked behind corporate walls, the idea of making AI accessible to all resonates deeply with the crypto community. It's about giving everyone a stake in the future of technology, not just a privileged few. During the last major AI hype cycle, AGIX stood out as one of the top-performing tokens. Its price surged as excitement around AI and blockchain reached new heights, proving that there's strong market demand for projects at the intersection of these 2 cutting-edge fields. The formation of the Superintelligence Alliance has only strengthened Singularity Net's strategic position. By collaborating with other leaders in decentralized AI, the project is better equipped to tackle the immense technical and ethical challenges ahead. For investors and enthusiasts, key metrics to watch include the growth of the platform, the number of active developers, and the progress of the alliance. These indicators will help determine whether Singularity Net can maintain its momentum and deliver on its ambitious promises. Ultimately, Singularity Net is positioning itself as a foundational layer for the future of decentralized AI. Its infrastructure could power a new generation of applications, from healthcare and finance to robotics and creative arts. Of course, like any ambitious crypto project, it comes with significant risks. The path to decentralized AGI is long and uncertain, and the competition is fierce. But for those willing to take the risk, the potential rewards could be enormous. Today, SingularityNet stands as a cornerstone of the AI crypto world, a project that has not only survived, but thrived through years of innovation and market cycles. If you're exploring the world of AI coins, SingularityNet and AGIX are absolutely essential to know. Whether you're a developer, investor, or just curious about the future of technology, this project is one to watch closely as the decentralized AI revolution unfolds. Next, let's dive into Fetch.ai and its FET token, a key player in the Superintelligence Alliance. Fetch.ai is pioneering a new era where artificial intelligence and blockchain technology merge to create a dynamic, decentralized economy. At the heart of this vision is the concept of autonomous agents, intelligent digital entities that can act independently, negotiate, and transact on behalf of individuals, businesses, or even other machines. Fetch.ai's focus is on building these autonomous economic agents, sophisticated software programs designed to represent your interests in the digital world. These agents can search for information, make purchases, book services, and even collaborate with other agents, all without human intervention. Imagine a world where your digital assistant not only schedules your appointments, but also finds the best deals, negotiates prices, and executes transactions for you, seamlessly and efficiently. These agents are capable of performing complex tasks and making real-time economic decisions, which leads to the creation of a highly efficient, self-sustaining digital economy. By automating routine and complex processes, they free up human time and resources, allowing people and organizations to focus on higher-level strategy and innovation. Underpinning this ecosystem is Fetch.ai's unique blockchain infrastructure, purpose-built to handle the massive scale required for billions of microtransactions between agents. This blockchain is designed for speed, scalability, and security, ensuring that every transaction is processed efficiently and transparently. The FET token is the lifeblood of this ecosystem. It powers agent operations, pays for services, and incentivizes network participation. As more agents are deployed and the network expands, demand for FET naturally increases, potentially driving its value higher and making it a crucial asset for participants. To make agent creation accessible, Fetch.ai offers the Agentverse platform, a user-friendly environment where developers and businesses can easily design, deploy, and manage their own autonomous agents. This lowers the barrier to entry and accelerates adoption across industries. Real-world applications for Fetch.ai's technology are already emerging. In supply chain management, agents can track shipments, optimize routes, and automate payments. In decentralized finance, they can execute complex trading strategies, manage portfolios, and provide liquidity, all autonomously. Major partnerships, such as with Bosch, demonstrate growing enterprise interest and adoption. These collaborations validate Fetch.ai's technology and open doors to large-scale, real-world deployments. Within the Superintelligence Alliance, Fetch.ai's role is to bring advanced intelligence into the physical world, enabling robots, vehicles, and smart devices to interact, transact, and cooperate autonomously in real time. The ultimate goal is to power the machine-to-machine economy, where billions of devices and agents exchange value and services without human oversight, a market poised for explosive growth in the coming years. Of course, challenges remain. Fetch.ai faces competition from other AI and blockchain projects, and must convince users and enterprises of the tangible value that autonomous agents can deliver. Building trust and demonstrating real-world impact will be key to widespread adoption. Still, Fetch.ai stands as a critical piece of the decentralized AI puzzle, connecting intelligent agents, blockchain, and real-world applications to shape the future of the digital economy. In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence and blockchain, Ocean Protocol and its Ocean token stand out as pioneers, focusing on one of the most critical resources of our digital age, data. As we move deeper into the era of AI, the importance of data cannot be overstated. Data is the fuel that powers intelligent systems, enabling them to learn, adapt, and innovate. Yet, despite its immense value, much of the world's most useful data remains locked away, inaccessible behind the walls of private organizations and corporations. AI needs data to thrive, but valuable datasets are often trapped in private silos, protected by strict security measures and privacy concerns. This creates a paradox. While data is essential for progress, sharing it can expose sensitive information and risk privacy breaches. Ocean Protocol's innovative compute-to-data technology offers a breakthrough solution. Instead of moving data out of its secure environment, algorithms are sent to the data, allowing computations to be performed without ever exposing the raw information. This means organizations can monetize their data, earning rewards for its use, while still maintaining full control and privacy. By enabling this secure, privacy-preserving data exchange, Ocean Protocol creates an open marketplace where data owners, data consumers, and AI developers can interact with confidence. This ecosystem not only fuels AI innovation, but also democratizes access to data, breaking down barriers that have long stifled progress. At the heart of this ecosystem is the Ocean token. It acts as the primary medium of exchange, facilitating transactions between data providers and consumers. The token incentivizes data sharing, rewarding those who contribute valuable datasets and ensuring a fair, transparent marketplace. Ocean Protocol introduces data tokens, a novel concept where each dataset is tokenized, representing shares in that data. These data tokens can be traded, bought, or sold, effectively transforming data into a new asset class. This opens up exciting opportunities for investors, researchers, and organizations to participate in the data economy. Ocean Protocol's vision aligns perfectly with the goals of the Superintelligence Alliance, a coalition dedicated to advancing AI in a secure and ethical manner. By providing a trusted infrastructure for data sharing, Ocean Protocol strengthens the Alliance's mission and expands its reach. With Ocean Protocol, AI algorithms and autonomous agents can securely access the data they need to learn and evolve, all while respecting the privacy and ownership rights of data providers. This balance of access and security is crucial for the responsible development of AI technologies. The Ocean Protocol team is composed of leading experts in blockchain, cryptography, and artificial intelligence. Their focus on privacy, security, and transparency ensures that the platform remains at the forefront of both technological innovation and ethical standards. The narrative of data as the new oil is more than just a catchy phrase for Ocean Protocol. It's a guiding principle. Just as oil fueled the Industrial Revolution, data is set to power the next wave of technological advancement, and Ocean Protocol is building the infrastructure to make this possible. Of course, challenges remain. Navigating complex data privacy regulations, ensuring compliance across jurisdictions, and driving enterprise adoption are significant hurdles. But Ocean Protocol's robust framework and active community are steadily addressing these issues, paving the way for broader acceptance. The Ocean market is already live, serving as a vibrant hub where datasets are bought, sold, and utilized by a growing community of data scientists, businesses, and AI enthusiasts. This real-world adoption demonstrates the platform's potential and the appetite for decentralized data solutions. Ocean Protocol is positioning itself as the essential data layer for the AI crypto sector, bridging the gap between blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. Its infrastructure enables seamless, secure, and scalable data sharing, which is vital for the next generation of AI applications. With a massive vision and a clear solution to AI's data problem, Ocean Protocol is not just another blockchain project. It's a movement aiming to unlock the true potential of data for everyone, everywhere. As the world wakes up to the value of data, Ocean Protocol stands out as a top AI coin to watch, one that could shape the future of both data and artificial intelligence. We've explored SingularityNet, Fetch.ai, and Ocean Protocol, pillars of decentralized AI. Together they form a powerful stack challenging centralized incumbents. The demand for their infrastructure will grow as AI integrates into our lives. Remember, this is not financial advice. The crypto market is volatile. Do your research, understand the technology, and invest wisely. Share your thoughts on AI coins and the Superintelligence Alliance in the comments. Like and subscribe for more insights into crypto and tech trends. Thank you for watching.